absolute peak of modern luxury usually means paying a premium. But today, the market hands you an undeniable opportunity. Welcome to the pristine Teufel TEQ Sport. Our live market data confirms this as the #1 best value, $595. It's a premier flagship for thousands below baseline. Powered by General Motors' advanced lithium battery platform, the OPTIQ delivers an uncompromised 302-mile electric range. Effortlessly handle Houston communes and cross-country road trips without the constant charging stops. Hands-free highway driving and autonomous lane changes across thousands of miles of compatible roads. The original window sticker was $56,025. By securing this vehicle today, you instantly bypass over $11,000 in initial depreciation on a current year luxury that still looks, feels, and smells brand new. Step inside to a breathtaking 33-inch advanced LED curved display, unmatched market value, next-generation technology, and zero compromise. Experience the Cadillac OPTIQ Sport today.